Chunky. Today I'm gonna be getting my cat to press the nut button.
Nut.
Alright, press the button. Press the button.
Nut.
No, press the button. Press.
Nut.
Press, like nut. SpongeBob, you know, Kenny the cat.
Nut.
Himata.
Nut. Nut.
Press the button.
Nut.
Press. Wait, no, like with your paw.
Nut. Nut.
Press.
Nut.
I'm finding a different cat. That one doesn't work. So I just found the other cat, and it took me 2 days to find it because he was hiding. Press. Come back. Oh. I got fish sandals. Push button. What the? So now the cat is all the way over there, and so now I have to find a way to make him come back here. The cat. Okay, so I have a new strategy. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get this stick, and I'm gonna put a fish on the end of it, and then I'm gonna go fishing to the cat. I'm gonna use my fish sandal. So here I go. There's my fish. Come here. Alright, press it. Oh my god! Oh, this is so... I know exactly what to do. Here you go. Happy birthday. Yes, press it. Press the button. Oh, I know. Stop the button. Yes, just, no, press. No, you gotta do it harder. Don't do it.
Nut.
No, press it harder. Press the button.
Nut.
Oh, there's a squirrel.
Nut.
Oh, yes, that's it. Now press. Yes. Come on, bucko. Press.
Nut.
Yes! Yes! You did it! Oh my god! Yes! Yes! Oh, yes! Oh, thank you so much. Oh, yes, thank you. Yes! Thank you! Oh, I love you. That took so long, but he finally did it. And now my documentary and my mission is accomplished. And
Nut.